Get ready with me to see the Barbie movie. So today I'm going to go see the Barbie movie with Alex's sister, and I'm so excited. I definitely want to be one of those people that like dresses up for it. So I already had Instagram help me pick out my outfit and help me pick out my earrings, and I did my nails. Major Barbie vibes. Now I'm gonna try and do some makeup that's Barbie vibes. I want to do something like what Maddie's makeup did. This, I think it would look so cute. Now hers is all wet liners. My plan is to do eyeshadow and then eyeliners on top of it, so I have like a better base. So hopefully it doesn't crease, because I get very creasy on my eyelids, so I'm hoping that it won't crease if I do that. Nothing terribly exciting on the base products, but I guess I will still show you guys what makeup I'm wearing today if you're interested in seeing that. It's also like storming outside, which is not great. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Skin Moisturizer. I'm also going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm going to put this like, well, you guys will see. So for foundation, I was going to take the L'Oreal True Match mixed with the e.l.f. Halo Glow, but like it's hot outside. It is very hot. It is almost 90 degrees outside. So I'm just going to take the L'Oreal True Match because this one's not like as dewy, and so I'm not going to go for as dewy of a look today. I also had some cream products picked out today that I'm probably not wearing because I'm trying to limit the creams. It's like super hot but also storming, so like that's interesting. Also, you guys won't be seeing this video until like a week after I've gone to see the movie. So if you're watching this today, it came out. I went and saw Barbie a week ago. Next, taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm probably gonna do like minimal of this as well. I say minimal, but like we all know it's gonna be a lot. I am probably going to have to go back over my brows because I feel like I've accidentally gotten into them a couple of times already. Next is powder. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me not translucent, just the loose setting powder. Yeah, it's going to be a long night for me, so I just really need my makeup to like stay. Now for bronzer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in Holiday Romance. This is still like my favorite bronzer. It's my go-to. Anytime I want my makeup to look like good when I'm kind of in a hurry, this is what I use. I am glad to be back to wearing like headbands when I do my makeup rather than like the clips. I know the clips is what was popular for a while, but like I just can't do it. I don't like the clips near as much as I enjoy the headband. The headband like really holds my hair back, whereas the clip just constantly falls and just doesn't look as good. This is basically just an everyday makeup look for me, other than like the eye look. The eye look's gonna be extra. Now for blush, what I thought was a nice cute little Barbie pink is this Dior blush. This is the Rosy Glow blush in pink. Is that rain? I don't know if that's rain or air conditioner, but it's making a lot of noise. I definitely think I like this foundation better mixed with my other foundation. I mean, it's fine, but it's way better when it's mixed together with the other one. Like, it's been so long since I haven't worn the two of them mixed, I kind of forgot what it was even like, and now I'm like, oof. Now for highlighter, I'm going to take the Ofra Madison Miller Moon Dance highlighter. You guys have probably seen this on my channel about 1,000 times. It has been a minute, though, since I've talked about it. I still use it pretty frequently. Just look at it, like, that's stunning. I'm just like not as into highlighters as I once was. I didn't even used to wear blush, and now I'm obsessed with blush. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. I just took the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil in neutral brown. I don't want my brows to be like too red or too like pigmented. This is like slightly less pigmented than the NYX brow pencil, and I just thought this would be better for today, so my brows weren't like crazy strong. That was fast. Now taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It was definitely worth a repurchase. I got the mini as like a freebie, or maybe it was like just on sale, so I decided to get it, and I will never go back. Now for the eye look. I have a plan. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. My plan involves the 16-hour camo concealer, the white one, and then some Beauty Bay eyeshadows and some Glisten Cosmetics liners. So let me zoom you in and we'll get started on this. Wish me luck. So first I'm just kind of tracing out the shape. I want to make sure I can see it with my eyes open. Okay, I think that's probably a pretty good shape. Now I'm going to fill it in. I don't need it to be super opaque. I am going to like pat it out. But I do need it to be enough to where like my eyeshadow is something to stick to. And so it's pigmented enough you can actually see it. And then I'm going to take this Beauty Bay Matte Bright Palette. I think I'm going to go in with Sweet Tooth, this really light pink on the end. Hopefully it works. I see the concealer's already creasing. That's my life story. Okay, that's not a good packing brush. Let's try that again. I don't care if it's a little creasy, I just don't want it to be super creasy. I didn't do the eye look first, and now I'm regretting that. I think I want to get to this step on the other eye before I go in with the eyeliner, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. They're sisters, not twins, but it's fine. So I have some colors to work with from Glisten. I will say this one seems too similar to the eyeshadow, so I think I'm going to go with Flamingo here. I think this one's called Petal. This one's Flamingo. I'm going to go with Flamingo. And then I have my split liner that has white in it. I also have a white here, but right now it needs cleaned off. So we're just going to work with this, I think. I'm going to take my number 7 brush. I think this is the one that's going to work the best. And I'm going to make the lines. Hers are all liner, whereas my light pink is going to be eyeshadow. And then it's going to be dark and white. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try and figure it out. And if you guys have not tried using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray for your liners, you need to. I think I'm gonna line in white because white can probably easily be covered up, whereas that dark pink I don't think can be easily covered up. I'm just mapping out what I'm doing. Okay, I definitely think I did that wrong, but it's fine. Now I'm going to take my number 3 brush because it's quite a bit bigger, and I'm going to use that to fill in those white spots. Yeah, so this is going to crease like right in the white, like just right there in the white. I definitely did that white in the wrong spot, which then led to the rest of them being wrong, but like it's fine, right? I don't know, does it look like gingham yet, guys? Okay, so now I'm gonna map out the dark pink and taking Flamingo. Flamingo may not be dark enough, hang on. I may have to mix in like a darker shade. No, I think it'd be dark enough. Oh no, I mean it would help if I would have made like straight squares. That, I did not do that. So drawing from like one square to another is not easy because I did not draw a very straight line. I can't tell you why it didn't really occur to me that it needed to be like super straight. But it didn't occur to me. White lines that are just like really randomly there. Like something needs to be up here. Because this should have been white, but I messed it up. So now I'm probably going to put a dark pink there, even though it doesn't really make sense with the pattern. The worst part is gonna be trying to recreate this on my other eye. Like, that's gonna be something else. Now I think I just have to leave my eye open, or leave my eye like partially closed, I mean, and wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna go back over the white real quick, and then I think that we're done. And I'll come back with this one hopefully done. Okay, so basically they're done, and basically I messed up on both of them a little bit. So yeah, I'm trying to still keep my eyes like kind of closed because I can feel it creasing. I don't want it to get too creased before pictures, but I am going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm not going to do, I don't know, I may regret not doing a wing, but like this is a lot on its own, so I'm just going to do a black liner along my lashes so that I can put on lashes. Oh yeah, this is the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner. Okay, so I have my lashes on, and then I have my hair done. Now, I kind of want to add freckles. I think freckles will look really cute, so I'm going to take the ColourPop freckle pen and just add on some freckles. And my camera battery is going to die. So, I'll be back. Now for lips, I'm going to take the Kylie Jenner lip kit in Cocoa K because it's a very, like, bubblegum Barbie pink. Gosh, this smells so good. I cannot even. I don't even know if this is what her lip kits are still like. This one's old. But if they are still like this, I would get another one probably. Okay, now I'm going to put my earrings on and we're almost ready. So these are the earrings that Instagram picked out. I definitely wanted the little like candy ball ones, but the little heart suckers are cute too. I am going to put backs on them just to make sure I do not lose them throughout the day. But now I'm going to show you guys my outfit and we're done. Okay, and here is the fit. How cute? How cute. And here are the shoes that I decided to wear. So yeah, I'm all ready now. I'm gonna take this cardigan in case it's cold inside the movie theater or restaurant. And then this is the bag that I'm taking with my cute little E keychain. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was just fun to watch, like, you know, with the cute look and everything. I actually think it turned out really good, even though I did mess it up a few times. I was trying to make what looked very complicated easier, and I honestly think I made it harder. So I guess if you watch Maddie's video and you watch my video, just decide which one you think looks easier. If you map it out a little bit better, I think that mine would be a little bit easier, but maybe hers keeps track better. I don't know. And if you did enjoy this video and you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel while you're here and comment down below what kind of videos you like to see. I always love to hear from people. I once again try to do sort of like a tutorial because people want to see tutorials. So this is sort of a gingham eyeliner tutorial. Anyway, I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go Barbie. I actually totally forgot I wanted to add eyeshadow under my eye. So I'm just going to take Sweet Tooth, and I'm going to put that under my eye. Because I literally forgot.